This is Pictionary, the Austin Powers version. And I can't hold the camera with one hand and open this with the other hand. So I won't. USAopoly. Pictionary trivia. You can read it. Coca-Cola. I'm not going to do much with this game because it hasn't been open. 4 fresh pencils. People used to write with them or draw. 4 markers and 1 blue die. And these are categories. Not the categories, the questions. And tablets for 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people. Other games they're trying to sell. Really, Mariners, and they picked the Mariners. They must have done well that year. Versus Yankees, and the Red Sox versus Yankees. And the Mets versus Yankees. Michigan versus Michigan State. And no one really wants chess sets that you can't recognize what piece they are. But there seems to be a theme going here. Texas versus Oklahoma chess. Florida State chess. And of course Coca-Cola chess, because that looks so clear, you know. And it's just stupid. I imagine this is just for display. So 5 and up for chess. Okay. Maybe you have to be 5 to be able to display it. Chess is an easy game. It's just a hard game to get good at. Texas, Oklahoma. But that's the worst there. Pictionary, the Simpsons model. This model has like 51. Austin Powers like 51 spaces. This is like pushing it. Try to get as much money out of an idea. Pictionary itself is pretty good, but these... I'm not an Austin Powers fan, so I don't know who all the arch evil characters are. Basically, I seem to think you have to draw on this. You start at the let's get started, baby. And then you, well, since that one has the all something, the all play square, you draw a card, you look up, and I'm not opening it, but this seems to be it, drill bit, and each person tries to, well, one member of your team is going to draw first, and then you take turns. And I don't see why you have to have an even amount on a team, like they say. So you have 3, so you draw less. Drill bit, so you try to draw a drill bit. I'm not going to embarrass you by doing it. Beach. Well, if you get it right, you throw a die and you go ahead that many spaces. And the next time you be picking a different category. Here's the meaning of square. That's the all play. Everyone does it. The male symbol. Words relating to the world's most eligible secret agent. I Don't know. I guess that's Austin Powers. Dr. Evil there. Those questions relating to Dr. Evil. Super spy stuff. And the world of Austin Powers, which is the beach. The only other one, I assume, says categories, but oh no, that is the categories. So the only one I can do is beach. So you would draw a beach, which should be like this. And that is what a beach looks like. If they can't guess it, then or is that a mouse? I don't know what I did with that line coming out of it. And that's basically it. The first person to get all the way to the front top, I think it's 51 squares. They're not square, I know. And answers the correct question, answers the question up top, wins. If you don't get the right, you have to start all, no, you just probably wait for the next turn and go. Now, you have 1 minute to guess the answer, and to draw. And the next person goes. And after 3 persons go, nothing special happens, but your egg should be ready. So you got that going for you. All right, that's enough.